Just stepped out of my Airbnb and surprisingly enough, I'm fucking hungover. Not feeling so good. It's about fucking 1-2 o'clock in the afternoon. I've wasted half my day already. Again. Gonna go get some grub and then head to the beach. Let's see what happens. Let's see what I want. Oh man, I really need to stop drinking so much. It's all the time. It's all the time. Fucking hell, pickling my liver. So I got 2 orange juices and I've crumbled already. And the caipirinha's on the way. So yeah. Weak. So weak.
Life is struggling here. How many kilos you are?
So we're leaving. Is it? What's the name of this beach? Ipanema. Ipanema Beach. We're leaving Ipanema Beach. Where are we going?
Yeah, down. We're going back to Ecuador.
I think it would be quicker if I walk.
It's fine, yeah.
It's fine. Sure.
Whoop, fuck.
Okay, now.
I think the back tire is
fucking what, mate? Here we are.
This is called Alalo. Hey,
Alalo, Alalo.
Welcome to Alalo.
Okay, Creek goes on tour. Let's go. Where are we? What are we doing?
Let's go to take some ayahuasca.
Hey.
Pray. Let's pray.
Let's pray.
Elevate the spirit.
Let's do that. Let's elevate the spirits.
Yeah.
Obviously, it won't be filming the spirits being elevated because it might involve me shitting myself like a madman.
How do we call them?
Ganesha.
That's why they mix.
Beautiful surroundings. There we go. Okay,
You need to show the church.
I'm gonna show the church, but no, am I allowed to film it? Am I allowed to film it? No. There is the church.
You go from the right side.
Yeah, I remember that. Okay, well, I'll see you on the other side. Have a fucking look at that, huh? Who's this guy? Who's back from the fucking ayahuasca ceremony, huh? This guy, believe it or not, this guy, huh? Wow, that was intense. I think it's gonna take a little while for it to settle and for it to make sense. But yeah, man. That weren't for the faint-hearted. Put it that way. That was not for the faint-hearted at all. Anyway. Some Rio de Janeiro action. So, on our way to the top of Roshina. I think that's how you pronounce it. Well, let's have a look. So this is Rocinha, Brazil's largest favela. It's estimated 150,000 people live here. That is a madness. favelas. I'm not sure about the filming situation here, but we'll, I guess we'll find out the hard way. Think of the guy who's got to come and sort out these electrics. Madness. Fuck, this is awkward. So that baraka there, that was my, like the Uruguay one. That was my first local. That was the original local, but that one disappeared for a couple of days. So Posto 9 became my local. And now they're both there, and I'm gonna just be like walking. I think I'm gonna go with Posto 9. I think I'm gonna go with my local. Oh, we've got a domestic going on behind me there. I think I'm gonna go with Posto 9. It's gonna be awkward. Oh, it's kicking off behind me there. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go with Posto 9. Normal beach. It's like normal afternoon on the beach in Rio, just constantly something happening everywhere at all times. But it's not annoying. Lots of other parts of the world where this kind of stuff happens, it's annoying. It's not annoying here. People are nice. It's a good vibe. Hold tight, these guys. It's spreading joy. These guys selling cheese. Obviously the buff scenery and the buff other things. You know what's up. You know what I'm talking about.
Hey, let's go! Last day in Rio.
It's your last day in Rio.
Yeah, my last day.
I don't think it's mine. It might be mine also. I might have to run. I might have to be chased out by an angry mob. I might get a bit quiet on here actually. I might, all of a sudden you might feel, what's wrong with Kieran?
I'm sorry it's not sunny now,
I'm a bit
but
scared.
it's gonna be nice. No, we can dance.
I don't want to
We
dance. No,
can
don't
dance.
fucking, no.
Like-
How long does this, how long does this take?
5 minutes.
What do we do? We just go up to the top and that's it?
Yeah.
Do we go to the other one? Oh no, I don't like this.
Look.
So what, we just go up to, where do we go? Yeah, no, I'm not looking down here. That's,
My God.
it's definitely not what's happening.
My God. So high.
What happens when it gets to the top? What do we do then? Just stop and get back down. Or is there another one? What's the one over there?
No.
So now we're going even fucking higher than we were to start with. This channel is just getting started, so obviously the videos are going to get much better going forwards. This is a learning process, definitely learning by doing. Already got a lot of exciting things planned for the next coming weeks, so stick around, stay tuned, like and subscribe. Thanks again, you're fantastic. Woyoy Savaloy.
What are you telling them?
One, douche.
Woyoy. Wait.